Hey everyone, Dan from Brooklyn Power Washing here. Today's job is cleaning this tile roof. There's a lot of debris on it and we're going to make it look brand new for the client. We're going to be walking through the process and what we do. Let's go.
When cleaning a steep tile roof, the very first step is to hook up a rope and put your safety harness on, because tile becomes very slippery when it's wet and when it's dirty. After that, what we will be doing is taking a big pile of debris off the roof. Then we'll be rinsing the roof. Once the roof is rinsed of all the big debris, we will go and spray the roof for whatever is remaining, then let it sit and clean the roof. The roof is sprayed with a cleaner that eliminates the spores and eliminates the moss on the roof, turning it white. And this prevents the moss from going back again for quite a while, leaving you with a nice clean roof that won't immediately turn dirty again.
Hey everyone, I finished up the job here. As you can see, the roof, the house, all the gutters have been cleaned. The client's extremely happy. It was a difficult job and there was a ton of debris, like absolute ton of debris we had to haul away. Jobs like this is not the easiest, but once you're done, the results are pretty cool and the home looks really nice after.